Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to start your Jeep Renegade with a key. First, make sure your vehicle is in park or neutral for safety. Then, insert your physical key completely into the ignition cylinder. Turn the key clockwise to the on position, which illuminates your dashboard lights. Immediately continue turning the key to the start position and hold it there for a moment until the engine fully engages. Release the key, and it will spring back to the on position, indicating a successful start. If your Jeep Renegade doesn't start immediately, don't worry. First, check your battery. A slow crank often indicates a low charge. Next, ensure your steering wheel isn't locked, which can prevent the key from turning. Sometimes, simply wiggling the steering wheel while turning the key can help. Also, confirm the key is fully inserted into the ignition. If issues persist, try using your spare key, as the primary one might be worn or damaged, preventing proper recognition. Proper key maintenance can extend its life and prevent starting problems. Always keep your key clean, free from dirt or lint that could interfere with the ignition. Avoid using excessive force when turning the key, as this can damage both the key and the ignition cylinder over time. It's also wise to store a spare key in a secure, easily accessible place. If your primary key shows significant wear, consider replacing it to avoid potential issues with your Jeep's ignition system. Safety is paramount when operating any vehicle. Always engage your parking brake when parking, especially on inclines, to prevent accidental movement. Never leave your Jeep Renegade running unattended, as this poses a security risk and can be dangerous. If you must run the engine indoors, ensure there is ample ventilation to avoid carbon monoxide buildup. For any specific questions or detailed instructions, always refer to your Jeep Renegade's official owner's manual for comprehensive information.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.